Once upon a time, in the beautiful village of Kenmare in County Kerry, Freddie the Dog had a bookshop in a lovely old building just off the town square. Here he sold books old and new. For 13 years, he had been a very busy dog. He would get up at 8 every morning and walk to the shop to open at 10 o'clock sharp. Sometimes he went to Jam's cafe nearby to grab a cup of coffee. Freddie liked to read the morning paper. The shop was always busy with tourists and locals. He closes at 1 o'clock for an hour to have a bite to eat. In the afternoon, he reads a bit of John B. Keane, one of his favourites and a fellow Kerryman. He's really funny. Even on the beautiful ring of Kerry in the west of Ireland, Freddie is not isolated. It's only a few hours to Cork and Dublin, and there are 2 airports nearby to travel to London and other places to visit cousins. In the meantime, the owners, which is me, Noel, and my wife Julia, have spent our time writing our own book. This has been recently published and is called Rosie's War by Noel Holland. It's an exciting, true-life World War II story about a young girl imprisoned by the Nazis. And as we speak, it's climbing up the Amazon bestseller charts. After a busy life, Freddie now wants to retire and write his own memoirs, called Freddie's Footsteps.
Hi Freddie, I'm Mimi from the co-op across the road. I wish you all the best with your book, and I'm looking forward to meeting the new owners from the shop. I will miss you a lot, Freddie, and I hope you'll come and see us on your tea and coffee breaks. Bye, Fred.
Do you want to buy Freddie's shop? It can be whatever type of shop you want. Or you can convert it back into a lovely townhouse quite easily. It also comes with a sweet 1-bedroom apartment, which Freddie has used as a very successful holiday let.